Hi, everyone. I'm Krista McNamara with ABRN Magazine. Today, I'm here with Eric Mendoza, manager, Toyota Motor North America, Wholesale Parts and Certified Collision. And we're going to discuss a hot promotion that Toyota is running this summer, the 2018 Great Summer Rebate. It's an opportunity that you don't want to miss because it could be of great value to you. Hi, Eric.
Thank you so much for having me. It's great to see you again.
It's nice to see you too. And a lot has changed since the last time that we spoke. Can you tell me how you're liking Toyota's new headquarters in Plano, Texas?
Our new headquarters is pretty incredible, Krista. This is the first time in our company's history that sales and manufacturing headquarters are in one location. So the campus is filled with a blend of technology, collaborative spaces, and we even have a state-of-the-art collision training center right here on site.
Wow, so it looks like this big move was really a good one. And I bet that that new environment is triggering a lot of creative thinking and innovation, inspiring promotions like the 2018 Great Summer Rebate. So can you tell us about it?
Sure, Krista. In our last video chat, I announced the new genuine Toyota radiator and condenser product line that carries the same quality and warranty as all genuine Toyota parts, priced competitively to aftermarket alternatives. Well, now through August 31st, 2018, we're sweetening the deal with a great summer rebate, which gives shops $15 back for each qualifying radiator or condenser purchase during the promotion.
That's great news for shops, Eric. So how can they take advantage of the Great Summer Rebate?
It's easy, Krista. Shops can buy a qualifying radiator or condenser from any Toyota dealer, then submit a redemption claim online. Shops can even collect multiple claims all the way through the end of August. You can find complete program details, including eligible part numbers, at your go-to place for Toyota wholesale parts information. That's toyotapartsandservice.com.
So it really is the perfect fit and at the perfect price all summer long. So thank you for joining, Eric, and keep cool this summer.
Thank you, Krista. Take care.